Lawrence is doing getting bamboo for spikes, so we can put the spikes on the newly planted mahogany tree. Bunso is reclaiming some wood for scaffolding again. And Rex is putting the bamboo framing, not framing, the bamboo wall for the bottom part of the house. And June is framing for the front terrace. And June, the matinee idol, is prepping paint so we can paint the sign. Apparently the epoxy here needs a catalyst, so that's what he's doing. Just more shoddy workmanship. Like again, I said, don't ever do anything here unless you're gonna be here. Look at this mess. They painted the gate the wrong type of paint, and then they forgot to paint the inside of the gate, so they just left it primered, and where it's rubbing, it's showing metal already and rusting. Just unbelievable. That is no primer on the inside part of the gate. Just don't do anything here unless you're gonna be around. Even down to here, the bearings that they used, they didn't even grease. Just horrible. Just, you gotta be here. Can't trust anybody. We're putting on the name for the farm. A setback on the welding for the farm name. Unfortunately, the portable welder went kaput. So June tried to open it up and see what's wrong with it. We're gonna give it another shot. Hopefully it goes again and we can finish welding the name for the farm for my sister. Can't believe how tall the mahogany is now. They're only about 9 months old. They're looking really, really good on the entrance. Out of the first 1,000, we have about 850 trees that survived. And I'm hoping the rest of the other 1,000 that we did the second planting here, you can see them. I am hoping at least half as much survive, because the second batch was not good. So I'm passing by this mahogany and I'm wondering what's eating it. And so when you flip it over, it's those bastards that are eating the mahogany. Let me see, there's some more here. Now when you touch them, oh my God, they burn like a son of a bitch. Right there. They look like really flat green caterpillars, but they sure do severe damage to the tree. that's what it looks like. And boy, do they burn. So I'm gonna kill a few of them. Units are making quick work of the bamboo. They're trying to clear it out, use some for spikes. So, a lot of bamboo to clear. Starting to open up. Walang pandikoko. They're opening it up. Those knives are sharp. Right. And the work continues even while it's storming. He just gone down the hole to connect the pipe. Hopefully we get to test this out.